Royal icing, the ultimate guide to perfect cookie and cake decorations. Ever wondered how those flawlessly decorated cookies and cakes get their stunning, smooth finish? The secret lies in royal icing. This versatile icing is a baker's best friend, offering endless possibilities for creating edible masterpieces. In this comprehensive guide, we'll dive deep into the world of royal icing, covering everything from the essential ingredients and equipment to step-by-step instructions and troubleshooting tips. Get ready to elevate your baking game and impress everyone with your newfound decorating skills. Royal icing is a hard-drying icing made primarily from powdered sugar, egg whites, or meringue powder, and water. Its unique ability to harden completely makes it ideal for intricate designs that need to hold their shape. Think delicate flowers, detailed borders, and even 3D structures. Unlike softer icings like buttercream, royal icing provides a crisp, clean finish that's perfect for creating professional-looking decorations. It's the go-to choice for sugar cookies, gingerbread houses, and any project where precision and durability are key. Having the right tools can make all the difference in your royal icing journey. Here's a list of must-have equipment to ensure smooth sailing. Stand mixer or hand mixer for whipping up the icing to the perfect consistency. Mixing bowls. Choose glass or stainless steel for easy cleaning and no flavor transfer. Sifter. Essential for removing lumps from powdered sugar, ensuring a smooth icing. Measuring cups and spoons. Accuracy is key in baking, so don't skip these. Rubber spatula. For scraping down the sides of the bowl and ensuring everything is well combined. Piping bags. Reusable or disposable, these are your vessels for creating beautiful designs. Piping tips. A variety of tips will allow you to create different lines, shapes, and textures. Toothpicks or scribe tool, for popping air bubbles and guiding the icing into tight corners. Gel food coloring. Gel colors are concentrated and won't thin out your icing like liquid colors. Airtight containers, for storing leftover icing and preventing it from drying out. Ready to get your hands dirty? This recipe is your ticket to royal icing success. 4 cups, 480 g powdered sugar, sifted. 3 tablespoons, 30 g meringue powder. 6 tablespoons, 90 milliliters, water, room temperature. 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters, vanilla extract, optional. Combine dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the sifted powdered sugar and meringue powder. This ensures even distribution and prevents lumps. Add water and extract. Gradually add the water and vanilla extract, if using, to the dry ingredients. Start mixing on low speed to prevent a powdered sugar explosion. Beat until stiff peaks. Form. Increase the mixer speed to medium-high and beat for 5-7 minutes, or until the icing forms stiff, glossy peaks. This is crucial for achieving the right consistency. Adjust consistency. Divide the icing into separate bowls if you want to make different colors or consistencies. Add water, a teaspoon at a time, to thin the icing for flooding. Add more powdered sugar to thicken it for piping details. Color the icing. Add gel food coloring, a drop at a time, until you achieve your desired shade. Mix well to ensure even color distribution. Store properly. Royal icing dries out quickly, so keep it covered with a damp cloth or in an airtight container until ready to use. Royal icing isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of icing. Different consistencies are needed for different decorating techniques. Here's a breakdown. Stiff consistency. Holds its shape perfectly. Ideal for outlining, creating borders, and piping intricate details like flowers and leaves. Piping consistency. Slightly thinner than stiff consistency. Perfect for adding details to flooded cookies. Flood consistency. Flows smoothly and evenly, used to fill in large areas of cookies or cakes. Even the most experienced bakers encounter hiccups along the way. Here are some common problems and their solutions. Icing is too thick. Add water a teaspoon at a time until you reach the desired consistency. Icing is too thin. Add powdered sugar a tablespoon at a time until it thickens up. Icing is cracking. This usually happens when the icing dries too quickly. Try adding a tiny bit of glycerin to the recipe to prevent cracking. Icing is dull. Add a few drops of corn syrup to the icing for a glossy finish. Proper storage is essential for extending the life of your royal icing. Room temperature. Store in an airtight container for up to 2 days. Refrigerator. Store in an airtight container for up to 1 week. Freezer. Store in an airtight container for up to 3 months. Thaw completely before using. Now that you're armed with the knowledge and tools, it's time to put your royal icing skills to the test. Experiment with different colors, consistencies, and decorating techniques to create your own unique masterpieces. Like and subscribe for more. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Check out our blog for more in-depth guides. https://lifeandwork.blog/. Comment below. Happy baking!